Yes, willkommen und hi zu Bully. Das ist schon mal ein recht altes Spiel. Eben dazu mal PS2 Zeiten. Und ich fand es schon dazu mal recht geil. War mal halt wieder mal was Erfrischendes Neues. Und ich hoffe mal, es gefällt euch so gut wie mir es gefällt.
Please say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Erinnert mich ein kleines bisschen an Hogwarts.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Ich hoffe ja mal wirklich, dass auch noch ein zweiter Teil davon kommt. Auf der PS4.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy.
Aber das ist doch nicht 1080p.
Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever.
Whatever. Boah, schon 10 Jahre alt. Also noch älter war. Aber das war wirklich ganz geil. Dazu mal. Was anderes zu all dem GTA und was gab es denn da noch? Wie ist das andere? Das in Hongkong? Oh, ich weiß es jetzt gerade gar nicht. Willkommen in Bulworth.
Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is wrong with you? Oh, I can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bullworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
Brilliant. For sure, he is brilliant. Let's go and meet him. Bewege Jimmy mit dem linken Analogstick, mit dem rechten schaust du dich rum. Je stärker du den linken Analogstick bewegst, desto schneller bewegt Jimmy. Dann gehen wir mal in die Schule. Öffnen.
I wonder, did the army receive my application?
Hello. How about I go off on you?
Hello there, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So, you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, Headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, Headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, Headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember,
No.
you will have a clean nose. So keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
Wie unhöflich. Ich bin schon genug alt, meine eigene Nase zu putzen.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins?
Kapitel 1.
Run
Neue
along now,
Freunde und Feinde. Geh in dein Schlafzimmer. Nicht vergessen, ist das X. Okay, schon vorbei. Lass mich durch. Ich hab gar keine Select-Taste. Okay. Marker-Menü. Zentrieren. Zoom. Scrollen. Zurück. Zurück. So, dann gehen wir mal in unseres
Guess
Schlafzimmer.
what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown. Get the new kid. Beat him down.
The new kid.
Give her a finisher. Fight, fight, fight. Pummel him. It's a freaking massacre. That's wicked. Oh, use the arm bar. Use the arm bar. That's wicked. Ha yeah. Take him to hell. Ha.
Mach dich fertig.
Finally, some good old teenage bloodshed. Go! 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 Stuff that dorkwad's head up his butt. Kick his knees in. Oh! Use the arm bar.
Oh, is baby gonna cry?
Die Zwiebelquetsche.
That sucks, man. Seriously, that was the worst. You're dead, new kid. Dead. Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that. Break it up. Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately.
Okay, okay.
Come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll excuse me.
I said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around?
Okay, dann führ
We
mich
don't
mal
have a
um.
bar in the dorm, just a soda machine.
Hol dir aus dem Automaten etwas zu trinken.
Can't go wrong with
You
sugar
should
and
probably
candy.
change into your
$40.
uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
Schwarzes Brett lesen. Was finde ich hier? Okay. So, dann gehen wir uns mal umziehen. Schuluniform.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski.
Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes, and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great. I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey, man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, the school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? Just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
Dieser Pete. Auf deinem Radar wird das Speichersymbol als Buch gezeichnet. Okay, dann speichern wir mal. Huey.
Whatever. Hi.
Okay, gehen wir mal der Hauptstory entlang. Hi, Telling. I'm a rat.
I'm on the edge.
Dann mach mal Platz. Das ist deine Schule.
Oh no! Hey, Jimmy! Let me show
Pass
you
auf.
around this.
Ey, was soll denn das?
What the heck are you wearing?
Whatever, Johnny McNo-friend.
Was willst du
Why
denn?
do you just like that?
Ah, du verdammter Kleiner.
Yeah, okay. Take your hands off now.
Voll die Chaotenschule.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Vocal cords out.
Come on, we don't have to fight.
You, Cash, now.
Gosh.
Please don't hurt me.
Stupid. Stay, Russell rules. Stay in. There's just enough not to smash you. Russell would be barbarian king.
Ich prügel dich.
Let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. careful around the prefects. They don't have much of a sense of humor.
Why do I get the feeling I may
Bullsworth Cap.
Well done!
Okay.
Now I'm going to have to punish you.
Punish you? Flüchte! Ich weiß gar nicht, wie er heißt. Nicht Johnny. Nennen wir einfach mal Johnny.
If only I could get my glutes to look like Russell.
I can't believe my mom won't let me have sugar because this feels awesome.
What is absinthe?
Hello.
Do you know how many styles I know?
Gary.
Jimmy, this way!
Okay. Let's follow him.
Eat this.
Oh man! There's that weird chick. Let's have some fun with her.
Oh no!
Go! See what she wants.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, hey.
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Okay.
Watching
Ines, ihre Schokolade ist zurück.
Useless sissy. Look at the
Platz. Lina.
You all right?
Sure, I'll give you the chocolate if you pay.
Okay, komm.
I didn't want them
Jimmy, you're
anyway.
such a loser.
Ach so, ich heiße Jimmy.
I wish I could see our...
Steuerkreuz links. Ah,
You're really making me angry, okay?
ey, mach Platz,
You can do
ich
your best,
verprügle
but I will
dich.
defeat-
Was willst du denn, du Kleiner? Ich mach dich alle. Hier, hier und hier. Oh Mann. Ines, ich hab deine Schokolade. Oh, und sie ist so schön
Wanna
Valentinspakt.
make out?
Nee, boah.
Sheesh! I'll remember this forever!
You actually
Hi,
kissed
Jimmy!
her.
Ja, ich auch.
Let's go to the cab. I'll show you who's who.
Ja, das werde ich auch für die Ewigkeit in Erinnerung behalten.
Now, if I could read all three tonight.
Okay, no problem. I will do. You can check it out. Okay, now it's updated.
Stop it, pal. Skinny doofus.
No props.
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending
Preps.
attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them. At least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the street.
Jocks.
Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Okay. Gehen wir mal büffeln. Das Glockensymbol auf dem Radat zeigt dir bla bla. Okay, Klasse ist von 9 Uhr bis 11:30 Uhr. Okay, komm nicht zu spät. Gehe von 9:30 Uhr in die Klasse. Los, lauf! Nur noch 20 Minuten. Oh, das finde ich hier so geil.
What are you doing in here?
Chemie.
Oh, right.
Sezieren, oder was? Ah, nee.
Take care to follow my instructions precisely.
Das ist
as
Guitar
we will be
Hero.
working with volatile chemicals today.
Guitar Hero.
Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Keep up the good work. You're almost done.
I'm the best.
Satisfactory
Yeah.
work, James. I'll see you next class.
Erstes Semester bestanden.
That's right.
Jimmy Hopkins delivers.
Was? Okay. Okay, ich breche mal ein, wa?
Hey, your
Lass
grandpa
mich.
die and leave you his wardrobe?
Aha.
You're the perpetrator. I never told him.
Platz. Tippe R1, um deine Waffe hinter dich zu werfen, während du läufst.
You big meanie.
Der Hinterhalt.
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is
I'm
not the
just
Bulwark
trying
way,
to
boy.
fit
Yeah,
in.
you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up.
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not.
Ow! Come here. Yeah, come and
Die
get
Schleuder. Okay, hinterher.
How'd you like a little
Platz.
slingshot,
Kleiner.
tough guy?
I've got it now.
I just hate you.
I saw him. He
And
ran towards the fountain.
I hate you more. Come over here. I want to talk.
I'll get out of here.
Oh nee, wirst du wirklich?
You're a wimp, new kid. This kid won't let up.
Breathing, huh?
Boah, du Kleiner. Oh. Na komm, öffne es. Öffne es. Nee. Habe ich schon den ersten Bug? Gibt's ja nicht. Nur weil ich den hier drüben ausgeschaltet habe. Nee, geh weg. Geh weg, Kleiner! Ich schwöre dir! Ja, öffne es! Ah, jetzt.
Get the new kid. Beat him down.
Lass Davies nicht entkommen.
Hey guys, let's get a lesson.
Oh, der Kleine.
Funny, you don't look so tough now. Your jaw's gonna be wired shut, and you'll be eating through a straw. Hey, stay away from me.
Zielen.
What are you crazy? That wasn't funny. Whoa!
Yeah. Meine Respektwerte. Okay. Englisch. Fächer. Okay. Nee, ich will nicht schwänzen. Hä? Komme ich hier nicht durch? Fuck. Nein! Ich will nicht schwänzen! Ich bin ein braver Junge. Nein, lass mich! Nein! Ja, ich weiß! Ich will ja... Oh Mann. Ah, lass... Ja, weil ich weiß nicht. Oh. Oh. Geh weg. Geh weg. Ich will in die Klasse. Ah, zum Glück. Englisch. Nummer 1.
Hello, class.
Hello.
The curriculum demands that you do these vocabulary assignments. Why don't you finish them here in class? That way you'll have more free time.
Okay. Das aus dem Buchstaben möglichst viele deutsche Wörter zusammen, bevor der Unterricht endet. Oh nee, das ist doch voll verbuggt. Schlaf.
Well done. Good show. Good one.
Nee. Ah nee, das geht ja gar nicht. Ah doch.
That's right.
Mal schauen, ob das immer noch geht.
Keep it up.
Ah ja, eben. Fuck.
I don't think that's in the dictionary.
Ja eben. Half ist nicht
Keep it up.
Deutsch. Oh. Ah, fuck. Was gibt es noch im Englischen? Half. Fuck. Alf, die
I'm
Serie.
afraid that's not English.
Ja, es sollte auch Deutscher sein, ne? la. Das ist sicher mal Hals.
That's right.
Dann noch Fuck. Sach. Dach. Fach. Das Fach.
Good show.
Ja, ist bestanden. Was gibt es denn noch? Schlaf? Ah ja, danke schön. Sowas von logisch. Aber habe ich schon. Aber danke trotzdem, Todesengel. Was gibt es denn noch? Lach? Lach? Komm schon.
That has to be some sort of slang, yes?
Schach. Oh nee, Schach gibt's ja gar nicht. Ja, egal. Ich hab's bestanden.
Well done. I can't help but wonder how you do with a more challenging curriculum.
Juhu. Kann sich jetzt effektiver entschuldigen.
Oh, please.
Puny ant!
You cool?
Yeah, you cool.
You paying attention? That's it?
Juhu. Oh, Kacke.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I lost 3
Nein. Ja, das ist wirklich ein cool Game, muss ich auch sagen. Wie ich es gleich gesehen habe, aber unter einem anderen Namen, habe ich mir schon gedacht, dieses Symbol kommt mir doch verdammt bekannt vor. Und dann, wo ich den Text dazu gelesen habe, ist mir gleich klar geworden, das muss ja einfach Bully sein. Siehe da, es ist Bully. Schleuder.
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay. All right, sure. I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
Ist aber auch schlechte Übersetzung. Friss oder stirb oder dabei seid, sagt er zwar schwimmen oder... Also, wer kann schwimmen oder untergehen?
Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls.
Für ein manipulatives Arschloch.
Come on, Jimmy. Let's go see how good you are with this new slingshot I heard you had. Don't worry, friend. Nothing escapes my notice. I hear everything. You and me, we can do things.
Dum. Ja, ich weiß gar nicht. War nicht San Andreas, war das nicht schon vorher draußen? Ich bin mir da eben gar nicht sicher. Aber ich hoffe wirklich, dass auch Red Dead Redemption 2 mal Teil 2 bekommt. Anscheinend sollte es ja jetzt nochmal angekündigt werden, falls es wirklich stimmt. Aber ich muss schon sagen, also mich würde es auch freuen, wenn sicher mal ein zweiter Teil vom Bully kommen würde.
I can't believe I switched my meds again.
Okay, R2 oder R2?
That's not a bad shot. You do have some talent. Come on, let's go down to the football field.
Okay, let's go. Ja, eigentlich sollte ich San Andreas auch wieder mal zocken. Einfach so mal.
Hey! Spies! What's up?
Go on. Mess with them.
Okay. Lass mich.
Damn it, he's been training or something.
Dum, 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 dum.
Hey, where did you lose this?
Loser. Ist schon voll cool gemacht. Drücke. Ja,
I know what being lazy gets you? It gets you another lap, you lazy guts.
Ach so. Sollte ja eins schießen.
Why are you stopping, you damn slackers? What are you doing, you lazy guts? Get going!
Nee, einer hab ich verschossen.
What are you doing, you lazy guts? Get going! I didn't tell you to stop!
Hast es geschafft. Yeah.
Another good deed done.
Symbol auf dem Radar blinkt. An dieser Position wartet deine nächste Aufgabe. Okay. Gehen wir mal hin. Ach wahr. Hier hinten gibt's doch noch eine Dings. Ja, genau. Ah nee, das habe ich zwar nicht gemeint. Ein Sammelobjekt. Was war denn das? Komm, warum nicht?
Have you ever made out with a fat Anyone want a piece of this?
Komm! Ich bringe euch um. Ich verprügle euch.
Don't let that girl bother you. You're still moving, but not for long. I will break you.
Ich bin unschuldig. Ab 19 Uhr. Ach ja, irgendwas ist doch noch. Wenn ich zu spät ins Bett gehe, werde ich doch ausgeraubt. Oder so.
They're cool.
Check this out, sucker!
Leave the...
Don't touch me, worm!
Yeah. Don't touch me. Ein bisschen Hilfe muss sein.
Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Oh, look out. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. Silly me.
Shut up, man. You're boring.
Boring? I'm boring. You're none too interesting yourself, friend. Look, I'm sorry, both of you. I apologize, okay? I just get a little overexcited. Forgive me.
Forget it. It's cool.
Anyway, I've got a good idea for some fun. Let's go out and torment someone really helpless and unfortunate. That homeless guy. Come on.
Beim Bus.
You coming, little Petey? Come on, I'm sorry. I'll give you a kiss if that's what you want.
Shut up.
Then come on. I despise. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy?
Yeah.
Tell me about this guy. To go in his own pants?
No.
Why is this stuff lying around everywhere?
Gummibänder. Boah, das muss ich dann irgendwann mal ein anderes Mal machen. Okay, wie komme ich denn da hin? So, okay. Die Musik ist auch sowas von geil. Fußball!
Okay, so I think Mr. Galloway...
Lass mich!
Come on, Andy!
Look at this!
Band.
Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus.
You jerk!
Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of
Oh,
here,
jetzt bekomme ich
kid.
die Karate-Techniken.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
15?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy, kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot by your own side?
Exactly.
Exactly. Vielen Finde einen Transistor. Okay. Wann muss ich im Bett sein? 10, wa? Lass mich.
Maybe you learn to shut your... Get a job!
Hey.
Say bye-bye. You should
Hey,
be
was
dead.
soll das?
I'm going to... Do you even know what you're doing? I'm ready to cross the
Ich
river.
bin gerade fertig.
Look who's decided. Don't even think about touching the head.
Oh.
Not so big now, are you? Come on, hero. Walk tall, don't you?
Gewalt.
Get scared, pinhead.
Get some.
Let me give you a hand with
that, buddy.
Hey, you, King.
Alle fertig.
Tell me you can hit harder than that.
Careful now, you might hurt yourself.
Come and get it.
I'm gonna pound your face in.
Come on.
Einfach reinprügeln.
Gotta step back.
See that one coming.
Haha. Der Prügelkönig.
This looks useful.
Hey, Penner.
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I served with. Yeah, okay, he was my brother. You're doing me proud. Hey, looks like you're getting the hang of it. Scared of an old drunk, huh?
Yeah.
Don't
Uppercut.
forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
Glad that's done.
Okay. Abschlafen. Schnell lauf. Jimmy.
Have to remember to tape that show.
What's your problem? Violent saw's all right, prop. Chump.
You both suck at fighting. Keep him in the night.
Tch. Speicher. Schlafen.
Everyone's so fake. No one says what they mean.
Oh, so you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath. It means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. I'll pay you $2.
$2? Are you crazy? Make it 5.
No. $2?
Great. $5. Let's go, buddy.
So schnell kann man aus $2 $5 machen.
I always wondered what it'd be like to be big and tough and really stupid.
Who has time for real jobs? I just spent the last 8 hours making
nervous?
arrows.
I do. I get nervous a lot.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again. You can't mess with freaking hell.
I just love it when someone beats up someone who isn't me. Fight! Get him!
Come.
Help me, guys! I'm gonna make you the laughing stock of the school!
You got a handle on the situation?
Hurt him! Make him cry!
Damn you! Oh, God, my ribs!
Damn.
You know Lola? She's really...
School is for morons.
Bring RG zur Schultoilette. Ja, dann komm, mach hin.
If I do it again, they'll never let me do it again. I can't go in there. That's for girls.
Oh, that's for girls. Hier kann ich nicht rein. Hä? Ja. Oder was? Nee, auch nicht. Schwänzen. Ah, das bedeutet oben. Fuck. Schnell! Nee! Habe ich jetzt versagt? Schwänzen? Allgenorm. Oh fuck.
I need more growth hormone.
It itches like crazy.
Stop tickling me and I'll show you.
Komm schon. Mach hin.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there 2 people in that stall?
Trench said they went into the bathroom. No more messing around!
Are you hurting yet? So much for the army!
Ja, komm, mach. Ich muss in die Schule.
Mommy told me to always wash my hands. I feel much better now.
Oh, nee, oder? Hier.
Here it is.
Gib mir $5.
Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean.
Respekt -5.
I'm good. What can I say?
Schnell in die Schule. Kunst.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Miss Phillips, and it is my pleasure to induct you into the world of arts.